In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Docusign access. Sharing access in Docusign is quite straightforward, but it's important to follow the steps carefully to ensure everything is set up correctly. Let's walk through the entire process together. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Docusign homepage. Once you're there, if you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. It's always a good idea to ensure that you're using the latest version of your browser to avoid any compatibility issues. After logging in, direct your attention to the top of the screen where you'll find the menu. Click on the Admin tab. This section allows you to manage users and configure settings for your organization. You'll find yourself on the Admin dashboard, where you'll see several options to choose from. Next, click on Users from the menu. This option shows you a list of all the current users in your account. Before you can share access with someone, they need to be added here as a user. If they're not already on the list, you'll need to add them. Locate and click the Add User button. A form will appear where you'll need to input the necessary information about the person you want to share access with. This typically includes their name, email address, and any other relevant details. Once you've filled in all the required fields, actually adding the user is just a matter of confirming your entries. You'll then see them appear in your user list. With this done, look to the top right corner of your screen and you'll see an icon, often resembling a gear or a profile. Clicking this will open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select My Preferences. Preferences allow you to customize your user experience and manage access settings. Navigate through the Preferences menu until you find the Shared Access section. Clicking on Shared Access will bring you to an interface where you can manage who has shared access to your account. Here, you'll see an option to Share Access with Others. Click on it to start the process. A new form will pop up and you'll need to fill out the necessary details. This includes specifying what type of access the user should have and any specific permissions they might need. Be thorough when selecting what the user can do, as these permissions are crucial in determining their level of control within your account. After you've reviewed all the details to ensure they are correct, submit the form. The system might prompt you with a confirmation message, and that's it. The person you designated now has the access you've defined. By following these steps, you've successfully shared access with someone else on Docusign. It's a great way to collaborate and ensure that your team can manage documents efficiently. Remember to periodically review and adjust permissions as necessary to maintain security and productivity.